Hello everyone, this is, and welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we have an exciting topic that will be incredibly useful for those of you managing Kubernetes applications, setting up logging and monitoring using Prometheus and Grafana. Before we dive in, it's important to quickly understand what Prometheus and Grafana are. Prometheus is an open-source system monitoring and alerting toolkit, while Grafana is an open-source platform for data visualization, monitoring, and analysis. Combined, these tools can provide comprehensive insights into your Kubernetes applications. Why should we use Prometheus and Grafana? Well, when managing Kubernetes applications, it's crucial to monitor your workloads to ensure they are running smoothly. With Prometheus, you can collect metrics from your applications, and Grafana will allow you to visualize these metrics in a user-friendly dashboard, which can help you quickly identify and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Now, let's dive into setting up Prometheus. Firstly, we need to set up a Prometheus server. This can be done by installing the Prometheus package. Once installed, we configure the Prometheus server. The configuration file, typically called prometheus.yml, defines what targets Prometheus should scrape and how frequently. Then, we start the Prometheus server. You should now be able to access the Prometheus interface on your browser. Next, let's set up Grafana. Begin by installing Grafana through the package manager. After the installation, start the Grafana server. You should now be able to access the Grafana interface in your browser using the default login credentials. Now, we need to connect Prometheus to Grafana. In the Grafana dashboard, head to Configuration, then click on Data, Sources, and select Prometheus. Enter your Prometheus server's URL, then click Save and Test. You should see a message indicating that the data source is working. Finally, we set up our dashboards. Grafana allows us to create visually appealing and informative dashboards based on the data pulled from Prometheus. You can create a new dashboard by clicking on +Create Greater Than Dashboard. From there, you can add as many panels as you want, and customize them to display the metrics you are interested in. And that's it. You now know how to set up logging and monitoring for your Kubernetes applications using Prometheus and Grafana. With these tools, you can easily keep an eye on the performance and health of your Kubernetes applications. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or something wasn't clear, please let me know in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This is signing off. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials on Kubernetes and other DevOps topics. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update.